Welcome to BioSpectrum's News Bulletin. Headlines for today are: Canadian researchers identify cancer-reducing protein. MIT scientists devise a cell-weighing method. Researchers in Japan develop a color device for the heart. Scientists in China construct electronic skin. Moving on to the main news now. Canadian researchers identify cancer-reducing protein. Researchers have discovered a new protein that could reduce the spread of cancer by binding the cancer cells together and allowing them to invade tissues. The study, conducted by the researchers from University of Guelph in Ontario, has identified a protein called cadherin-22, a potential factor in cancer metastasis or the spread of cancer. The protein also decreased the addition and invasion rate of breast and brain cancer cells by up to 90%. The researchers found that it is precisely under conditions of low oxygen that cancer cells trigger the production of cadherin-22 in motion in a kind of protein boosting that helps bind the cells together, enhancing cellular movement, invasion, and likely metastasis. MIT scientists devised a cell-weighing method. Researchers at MIT have now shown that they can use a new type of measurement to predict how drugs will affect cancer cells taken from multiple myeloma patients. Furthermore, they show that their predictions correlated with how those patients actually fared when treated with those drugs. This type of testing could help doctors predict drug responses based on measurements of cancer cell growth rates after drug exposure. The latest version of the device, which can measure 50 to 100 cells per hour, consists of a series of suspended microchannel resonator sensors that weigh cells as they flow through tiny channels. Over a 20-minute period, each cell is weighed 10 times, which is enough to get an accurate mass accumulation rate measurement. Researchers in Japan develop a color device for the heart. A group of researchers in Japan have produced a butterfly wing-inspired structural color device for measuring the beating of heart cells, which they hope will speed up the process of pharmaceuticals testing. Like the wing of a butterfly, this device produces structural color from micropatterns developed on the surface of a polymer gel. The researchers were able to demonstrate the practical utility of their new device by monitoring the beating pattern of heart cells in response to drugs. During pharmaceutical development, screening of drugs with different types is essential to weed out potentially dangerous drugs because they are tested on humans. The device developed in this study allows the beating of cells to be measured easily in a non-invasive way, thus facilitating high-throughput testing. Scientists in China construct electronic skin. A team of researchers in China has developed a jellyfish-inspired electronic skin that mimics the sensitivity range of biological skin and lights up in response to pressure. An electronic skin that mimics the full range of biological skin sensitivity has great potential to transform prosthetics and robotics. The researchers combined electric and optical systems in an electronic skin to detect both slight and high force pressures. The researchers said that this approach better mimics the wide range of pressures the human skin can feel. Thank you.